Hey everyone! Welcome back to the PassFab channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to get into a locked iPhone without the password. Maybe you forgot your screen passcode, Face ID isn't working, or your device got locked after too many wrong attempts. We've all been there. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through 3 proven methods that can help you quickly regain access to your iPhone. Before we start, please note, all of these methods will reset your device and erase your data. If you don't have a backup, proceed carefully to avoid losing important information. Alright, let's dive in. Method 1. Use the Forgot Passcode option. This is the easiest method if your iPhone shows the iPhone Unavailable screen. Keep entering the wrong passcode until iPhone Unavailable appears. At the bottom of the screen, tap Forgot Passcode. You'll be warned that this will erase your device. Tap to proceed. Enter your Apple ID password to start erasing your iPhone. Wait a few minutes for the reset process to finish. Once done, you'll see the Hello screen. You can now set up your iPhone as new or restore from a backup. Note, if you don't see the Forgot Passcode option, you'll need to try Method 2. Method 2. Restore with iTunes or Finder. If Method 1 doesn't work, you can unlock your iPhone using iTunes or Finder on macOS Catalina or later. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes or Finder. Then, you'll need to put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 or later, you need to press the volume up and volume down buttons, then hold the power button until the iPhone shuts off and the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, you need to press and hold the volume down and power button simultaneously until the recovery mode screen appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier models, you need to press and hold the home and power buttons simultaneously until the screen goes black and the recovery mode screen appears. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, iTunes will prompt you to restore or update. You need to choose Restore. This will download iOS firmware and erase your device. After the reset is complete, you'll need to set up your device. In most cases, this should unlock your iPhone. But if iTunes encounters issues and the reset fails, I'll recommend you try the third method. Method 3. Use PassFab iPhone Unlocker. If iTunes fails or you want a faster method, try PassFab iPhone Unlocker, a quick, reliable tool that doesn't require your passcode or iTunes. Download and install PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Connect your iPhone to the computer and launch PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Select Start and follow the instructions to enter recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, PassFab will detect your device and provide the latest firmware. You'll need to click Download. Once the firmware is downloaded, you can click Start to remove to begin the process. The removal process takes about 10 minutes, so please be patient. When your iPhone restarts, the passcode will be gone. Complete the setup and you're good to go. And that's it. 3 reliable ways to get into a locked iPhone without the password. Whether you use the Forgot Passcode option, iTunes, or PassFab, you'll be able to unlock your iPhone and start using it again. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the PassFab channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.